My name is Hamza Mahmood from grade 2E. Today I'm going to make a gingerbread cookie. First, I'm going to show you the ingredients. 350 grams of plain flour. Next, 4 tablespoons cinnamon. Next, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, 100 grams of butter. Next, cup of brown sugar. Next, tablespoon golden syrup. Next, an egg. Next, we are going to mix up the dry ingredients. Tablespoon cinnamon, teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of baking soda, 350 grams of plain flour. Now we just dump them all up together. And we have to mix them up. Now we are going to mix up the wet ingredients. Butter, sugar, now we just grind up them. Now we put the egg and the syrup. Next, we need to mix the dry mixture and the wet mixture together. Now our dough is ready, so we have to keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes in this plastic. I just dump it. And here it is. We wrap it up. We wrap up our dough. Now that the dough is done, we are going to roll it using a rolling pin and some shapes to make our gingerbread cookies. Now we are going to make the shapes. Now the aeroplane. Now the star. Now the bear. Now that our shapes are ready, we'll put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Now my gingerbread cookies are done and ready to eat from the oven. Here are my cookies that are made by Hans Mahmoud. The shapes are bear, gingerbread man, gingerbread man, gingerbread man, gingerbread man, gingerbread man, star, gingerbread man, and airplane. I hope you enjoy my gingerbread making. Thank you, everyone. Delicious. Bye.